Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I got my hair trimmed from the salon. It's been 11 years since I visited a salon last. Okay, I just make some inquiries and I got this salon around my house, about 10 minutes drive. Getting a professional trim from the salon is been me doing my hair at home all this while. That's all about this video. I hope you will enjoy it. And if you do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. If possible, share, okay? And keep watching. I would also like to tell you that everything I used here is mine. I went to the salon with my tools. So everything you see me using in this video are mine. And this is what I usually do even before now. Anytime I'm going to the salon, I like them using my tools, including creams. Yeah. Do you do the same thing? I mean, do you go to the salon with your creams and tools and all that? So please do let me know at the comment section, okay? Let me know whether you go to the salon with your tools or you allow them to use theirs. Keep watching.
stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do.
You may ask, why should I trim my hair? Trimming your hair actually encourages hair growth. It may sound counterintuitive, but the appearance of broken and split ends not only damages the look and feel of your hair, but it also contributes to the appearance of shorter hair and thinner ends. So you need to trim your hair if you want your hair to look healthy. Freshly cut ends also help to detangle the hair. It's true that damaged hair is harder to maintain and also harder to handle. Avoid unnecessary breakage and frustration by taking care of those split ends before it's too late.
It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me, and tough is still to live, I don't know how to be.
Finally, if you're frustrated about the lack of growth, then trimming your hair more regularly can be the solution to this problem.
I don't know, I lost count, I'm a sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all the space in my mind. I try to shake you up all of the time. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me, and tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me, and tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see.
Okay, lovelies, that's all from me today, and I do hope to see you in my next video. I am sorry I was not able to show you the heat protectant that I used. And thank you so much for watching up to this time actually, and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay, and turn on the bell for notifications so that when next I upload new video, you'll be the first to get the notifications. And oh my god, I never knew my hair is this long and full after adding relaxer to it. It looks so lovely and soft. This is actually my first time after being natural for 6 years. This is my first time, pressing my hair this much. Oh my god, it feels so good actually. I just relaxed my hair 2 months ago. Bye for now.
Oh, yeah. Wait, we don't have to start the